Hello students, welcome to my channel of NEET with Satya ma'am. Let me explain you what is NEET all about and how should you face these examinations. National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. This is NEET, conducted by National Testing Agency, NTA. And what is it all about? This is about to know how far you are good with your subjects of physics, chemistry and biology, and how are you able to recall the learnings that you have in these subjects. And why should you attend this entrance examination NEET? To get admission for MBBS, BDS and Ayush courses, that is Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, and for all colleges, all medical colleges, including the state colleges and the central government colleges. Okay, so that is our AIIMS, Zipmer and all institutes, and including those institutes, those colleges admitting students in foreign countries require your NEET score. Okay, so if you are aspiring to get into the profession of medicine, NEET is mandatory. Okay, so let us know more about NEET through this channel. Okay, so is NEET too tough? No, not at all. It is all about your physics, chemistry, biology that you have learnt in your class 11th and 12th. And why students fear about NEET? There is nothing to fear. Okay, so I'll help you. How should you face this examination? What should you focus in each and every subject? Which chapters the more weightage, or where in specific you have to prepare in each and every chapter, and how the questions are. So that is the purpose of this channel. Preparing from home during this lockdown situation, let me help my students to overcome the barriers and face this NEET exam. And how the question paper is usually in case of NEET. NEET has 180 questions. And for every question, right question that you answer, you will get +4 mark. For every wrong answer you make, you get a -1 mark. So we should be very careful not to choose any wrong answers. So attend the questions only if you know, otherwise you should not attend the question. For any unattempted question, there is no impact on marks. You don't get a plus or minus mark. So it is good to attend questions only if you know, and skip the questions in case if you don't know. Okay, so this is how you will have 45 questions in each and every subject of physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. So totally you will have 180 questions for 720 marks. And what was the first mark last year in NEET 2020? So the first mark in NEET 2020 was 720 out of 720, and 2 students have got it. So this explains that NEET is not something French and Latin that you cannot make it. It is easy. Okay, but you should know the strategies to prepare, strategies to revise, and how should you attend the exams to score up. Okay, so I will help you with all these strategies in my channel. So do subscribe to my channel and follow all the videos that we are posting every day. Okay, so let me tell you how the question paper pattern will be this year for NEET 2021. There is a small change in the question paper pattern. Every subject has 45 questions, that remains the same, but you have 2 sections this year. Section A will have 35 questions where you don't have choice. You can attend all these questions, 35 questions, and section B has 15 questions, out of which you can attend 10 questions. Okay, all 4 subjects has 2 sections, 35 questions in section A without choice and 15 questions in section B, out of which you will choose 10 questions. This is the new pattern of NEET 2021. So be aware about this pattern so that it helps you to attend those questions in section B that you know. In case what happens if you attend more number of questions. So there are 15 questions. In case if you attend 11 questions, the first 10 questions that you have attempted will be taken for evaluation. So just be careful to attend those questions you are thorough or you know. Okay, so this is how the changes that is made in the new NEET pattern for NEET 2021. So how should you prepare? How many hours of efforts? You hardly have 30 days to go. And how should you prepare during this last 30 days for NEET 2021 is start revising whatever you have completed and prepare those chapters that you feel comfortable. There is nothing wrong if you omit 1 or 2 chapters. However, you should not omit the chapters where you have more weightage. Okay, so let me explain you in each and every day the weightage chapters, how many questions, and which specific areas where the questions have been throughout the years. Okay, thank you. Follow with my channel and keep updated yourself about these NEET exams.